Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. I was just about to say cathyscreate. Oh my goodness. Yeah, since once you switch your name, you get so used to saying it and it's so hard to I mean, I love my new name and everything, but you know, cathyscreate was part of me. Some of you guys will like Cheryl's from Cheryl's Crafty World. She said you will always be cathyscreate. Miss Judy also says that. So anyways, it's new. It's still new to me. So anyways, again, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More, and welcome back. So today I am doing a happy mail from the Stamps of Life. So I am in their club card kit. What is it, monthly, yeah, I don't know, monthly club. So anyways, each month on the 15th they send out a new kit for the month, and this is what I'm getting. I have not opened it. Yay, I haven't sheeted. Wow, this time usually sheet. So I haven't really even seen the video where she unveils the whole, you know, club kit part. So let's go ahead and see. So this is what it looks like when you receive it, and let's see. So you get it in this cute little box. Always awesome to have these little boxes, because guess what, you use them for storage. That's what I use them for anyways. So first thing, you get this little cute stamp set, and it says wishing you a lovely day and hello beautiful. Oh, that's cute. I like those. And then it has these dragonflies. I'm not too sure if this is like, oh okay, I think this is the thing where, you know, when the butterflies like the dragonflies like flying, so that's like the swoop kind of thing. So awesome, there you go. And these are inspirational cards. And this is other ideas if you're not too sure what you want to make. Just gives you ideas on what to make. And oh yes, so it comes with a die. There you go. So this one comes with this die, and this one's that. Awesome, yay! Because oh my god, sometimes I have to fussy cut and it's kind of hard sometimes. And this one is a take it easy die. So yay. And then it came with these blings. Oh, these are smaller. This is awesome. I like this color. This is not a full green. This is more of a lime green. So nice. And then it came with this ribbon or trim. And then it came with this one too. I love the pink one. And then I'll show you the paper pad in a minute. And then it came with this little cute flowers. Awesome. Nice color, springy colors. Of course, spring is coming, so awesome to have these for the spring. And these cardboard stickers. And then here's the paper pad, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, I like that one. I like that one. And it's double-sided, so if you don't like one side, you can always use the next one. Cute. Cute. I like these. Take it easy. So cute colors. These are the dragonflies, and this is the dragonfly. There's also a stamp and what is it called, the die kit or something like that. It comes with both the stamp and the die, and that's the first of the month subscription. And there you go. That was repeated after that. It comes with your envelopes. It comes with a storage for either you could put all your kit in here, like all your stuff in here, or you can put all your cardstock in here and your envelopes. It just depends on what you want to use it for. So awesome, love it. And it's envelopes, and usually I think it's 12 envelopes, and awesome to have, awesome to get. And it's supposed to be a card kit, so it's supposed to help you make your cards, right? And then it comes with the cardstock, and I believe it's also 12 sheets. I believe it's 6 colored and, or am I mistaken? And 6 white. Let me see. Let's refresh our memory. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, it's 4 white cardstocks, and the rest are in color. And you get the pink one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you get all these beautiful spring colors, and these are so nice. There you go. So this is what you get this month. So yay, and awesome. Can't wait to work with it eventually. So thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. And this is not sponsored by Stamps of Life. This is a kit that I am subscribed to monthly. So yay. Anyways, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.